So guys, sharing is here one more time game on the LeetCode Camp channel. So in today's video, we are solving our question number 641, 43 by the name of maximum average sub-array 1. And you are thinking why do not solving question number 642 because it is locked, so that's why. But anyways, let's try to solve today's question in Python 3. And in today's question, there are some of the topics are included, and this is an easy one question which we are solving in today's video. And there are two topics are included by the name of array and sliding window. So now let's try to solve today's question in Python 3. So let's move forward on the computer screen and let's do a coding with laughing it. So guys, let's start today's video. In today's video, we are solving a question number 643 by the name of maximum average subarray 1. So let's try to solve today's question. And there's an easy one question which we are solving in Python 3. So first of all, we understand the question. What is the question is trying to say, then we'll be start to solve it. So now let's start. Now, maximum average subarray 1. So let's start. It has been given me an integer array by the name of nums. It consisting of n elements and an integer k. Means it is one integer array by the name of nums, which is consisting of n elements, and there is one integer k also. We want to find a contiguous subarray whose length is equal to k. That is the maximum average value, and return this value. Any answer with a calculation error less than 10 square 5 will be accepted. Okay. So in today's question, there are two examples are included. We will be understand both examples step by step. Okay, so now let's start with the first example. Here he created an integer array by the name of nums, which I have told you above in this line. Okay, so now let's start to learn about example 1. And there's a second k. It is one integer by the name of k. Okay, in which he written down 4. The output timing coming 12.75000 means 12.7500. Okay, or you can say sorry, not 7500, 75,000. Okay, so it has why this type of output timing coming 12.75,000. Now let me tell you. For example, if I give you the explanation, it is one maximum average is 12 minus 5 minus 6 plus 50 divided by 4 is equals to 51, and divided by 4 is 12.75. If you see in calculator, it's harder. Okay, we see the if you see the calculation, it is little bit harder. Okay, so you can go on to the scientific one, create there one this, write here 12 minus 5 minus 6 plus 50. Okay, and then close this, and then write here divided by sign, divided by 4, and then it's equals to, here you can see 12.75. Here you can see our answer has been coming perfect. Here you can see it 12.75. Here you can see it, and calculate in the scientific one. Okay, not in standard one. Calculate in scientific one if you are on laptop or on Mac or on desktop. Okay, here you can see it when I calculated, so my answer will be coming correct. Okay, so example 2. In the same example 2, here you get our nums by the name of 5, integer array by the name of nums, in which he wrote in 5, and integer by the name of k, in which he wrote in down 1. And the output is becoming 5.000000. Okay, like this. Okay, so and there are the three constants which are included in today's question. If you want to view it, so view it. If you have a problem to solve today's question, so you can view this constants also. Okay, but anyways, let's start to solve today's question in Python 3. So first of all, what we're gonna do now, first of all, it is an easy one question, and there are two topics are included, array and sliding window. And this question is one of the most popular question which you are solving in my career of the LeetCode camp. 2 million people have submitted it, and only 9,27,000 people have accepted, and total acceptance rate is 45.9%. Means 2 million people have submitted this question. That must be popular question, very popular question. Okay, so First of all, we start from the class-wise solution. Okay, now def find max average and must see the capital letters. Okay, please. Okay, means some many people are missing the these capital letters and these type of very minor mistakes like comma, semicolon. They do not put, so that's why there's in the some of in many reasons these type of error has been came. Okay, so self comma. So please open your eyes and then perfectly solve these type of questions, okay, of a LeetCode camp. Int comma okay and then int, because these type of questions are help you to get a certificate of fang jobs, okay, like Amazon, AWS, and then Google, and these type of, okay, these type of competition of a LeetCode cam and these type of help you to improve in your AWS certification and these all there, okay, because these question of a LeetCode cam is based on totally based on DSA, okay, data structure and algorithm, and when you go to the AWS certification, then these type of question will become, okay, in the AWS shared, okay, of the initial k element, okay. So cr sum equals to max sum. So that's why I'm telling you to not solve only one question in one day. Solve 2 to 3 questions in one day of a LeetCode camp. So it will be improve you, okay? It will be improve your practice and your mind will be fast, okay? Because these all the questions are based on data structure and algorithm. All the key is DSA, okay? Key is a DSA. If you want to learn programming, you first of all learn DSA and then you will be reach your goal, okay? So please run the DSA, then for in range k comma length. Here I am finding the length of our numbers. Perfect. Remove these things. So we are defining some of the comments also for your explanation, and when you define these comments, so then when you submit this code, so then your rating will become high, means 100%, 90%, okay, like this, okay. So that's why I define comment in most of the question. In most of the question I did not define comments, because plus equals to nums I minus nums, and then define I minus k. Perfect. Update the max, and now max max sum equals to max sum equals to cr sum, okay, and then back, and please write this one more line. My keyword, I think it is not writing, so that's why write these 2 lines also, then run your code. And now let's see. So when I run this code, so now running code has been accepted, you can see it. So let's see the submission code. So when I submit this code, so now the submission code is also be accepted, and I beat 35.72% people successfully. Yes, so let's post this solution. So here you can see I posted. So let's post the solution. So I hope you enjoyed this video in which we saw question number 1643 by the maximum average sub array 1. So if you enjoyed today's videos, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more having these type of tutorials. And here you can see one more badge I have come, 100 days badge 2025. Congratulations, solving problems 100 plus days, 100 plus days in 2025. You can see it. One more badge has been came on my LeetCode camp profile. Here you can see it. Dear Rayyan, congratulations, 100 days badge 2025. Right click to save the image. Let me save this image. So I have saved that, okay. So here you can see it. So now that's why I say you solve 3 to 4 questions, then your achievement will become. So here in my achievement there is 2 badges has been came successfully as. Here you can see it. So I'll be also be active. So when I active it, so it has been also be active. There is 150 days badge and there it is 100 days badge. Here you can see it. So now anyways, let's meet in the next video, amazing video in which we solve one more amazing question. So for today, goodbye.